Bright Debt Manager App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get debt management apps wrong by assuming they're just trackers. Bright in 2025 combines tracking, planning, and reminders to help you get out of debt faster, but does it work? Bright Debt Manager allows users to input all debts, set payoff goals, and track progress in real time. The surprising truth is motivation. You won't believe what happens next when you see how visual progress charts and reminders keep you accountable, turning what feels like an overwhelming task into manageable steps. Another advantage is strategy. Most people get this wrong by thinking one-size-fits-all plans work. Bright recommends optimized payoff strategies like snowball or avalanche methods, helping you save on interest and reach financial freedom faster. However, cons exist. The app does not consolidate debts or negotiate with creditors. Premium features require a subscription for advanced analytics and notifications. Users need discipline to consistently log payments for maximum effectiveness. In conclusion, Bright Debt Manager is ideal for individuals seeking a structured, motivating, and informative way to manage and pay off debt in 2025. It's user-friendly, visually engaging, and effective for most personal finance situations. While not a substitute for professional financial advice, Bright is a strong companion for taking control of your debt journey.